Welcome to Marque Exploration channel, where you will find lots of videos on hikings and divings. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share, like and comment. Today is jogging day. I am on my way to the lake to do my first jogging, my first exercise after 3 months of relaxing at home because of the RMCO, Movement Control Order. It looks like it's going to rain, but hopefully it doesn't. And I would like also to thank my beloved subscribers, my fans. Some are in Terengganu, some are at Starbucks in Shah Alam. Yes, you might be laughing, I'm referring to you. Some are in Kuantan, Pahang. Some are working in Subang Jaya, my die-hard fan in Subang Jaya. My hiker friends, my diver friends. And I noticed I also have friends from all over the world. United Kingdom, Brazil, US, Indonesia, Singapore, all over the world. So that's a good sign, I hope. As I was saying, I have friends all over the world, subscribers from all over the world. As far as Brazil, United Kingdom, thank you for your dedicated subscription to Marque's channel. I will be doing more videos on hikings and divings. And my plan for the year, as I was talking to my hiker friend somewhere from Bangi, the proposal is for us to climb ABC, Annapurna Base Camp in Nepal. And it was supposed to be this year, but the plan was cancelled due to COVID-19. And even next year is not yet finalized due to the fact that overseas flight is not yet allowed. So that's the plan, to climb Annapurna Base Camp next year. I forgot what's the height of Annapurna. I think it's around 3,000 meters above sea level. And among the scary or tough challenges of Annapurna is, for me that is, the weather. It's going to be cold, but I was told that we are in summer. So and I didn't know that there is summer in Annapurna, and I don't know how cold is their summer, but to me it's going to be cold. And of course we need to get ready with our thermal jackets. So this is part of the exercise. And normally when I plan to hike at certain levels such as Annapurna. I mean, when I plan for very high hikings, I will normally jog 3 times a week, and during the weekend, either Saturday or Sunday, I will either climb Gunung Datuk, maybe half part of Nuang, or Bukit Kutu. So these three are my favorite so-called jogging place during the weekend, so that we have good stamina, and so that we can sustain the very high climb. As you know, every 1000 meters that we hike, oxygen level decreases. And of course, plans for diving is to go to such as this place. Yes, it's not scary. She's a beautiful animal. Hopefully, I will find such creatures underwater when I go to the dive sites. The plan is to dive somewhere in Terengganu this week, but I'm not sure whether that plan is going to go through. This is the lake. It has a fountain here. So before we jog, we relax here first. The gate is closed, so I can only go halfway of the stairs. Normally I think it's about 140 steps, but you see they close halfway. But never mind. Testing the stabilization of this handphone. I'm using my hands to hold this phone and hope to see whether the image stabilization is good on the handphone, just using the hands. Just completed 3 rounds, 1 up, 1 down, 1 up. So let's see how many rounds we can do. Normally I will come in the morning, but today I'm coming here in the evening because I like the morning weather. It's cool. It's just a perfect time to jog. This is from the bottom, right from the bottom, then go to the top. This angle looks nice. If I were to bring my camera, this would have been a lovely shot. This tree looks beautiful. If I can capture it, surely it will look beautiful. But now I'm learning all about video, how to capture beautiful videos. I would also like to thank my friends, my subscribers from Singapore. Don't forget our Bukit Timah hike when the Singapore-Malaysia border opens. Let's go to Bukit Timah. 6:42 a.m. There's about 40 minutes of exercise today, so hopefully we will continue tomorrow, and let's see how many kilometers or how many steps I did today. It's a good start because you're going to climb an elevation of 3,000 meters above sea level, and you want to have all the best stamina, the best of health to climb at that level. I'm recording on my Samsung A7. Just want to compare the quality of the video from the iPhone and the Samsung, and also the quality of the audio from these two handphones.